Hello everyone, so today we are going to discuss the top coloring book niches that you can start working on. Q4 has already started and it's time to publish more books, it's time to make more money, right? So, my name is Priyanka Dubey and I talk about KDP on this channel. So, if you're interested and you want to learn more, please go to the playlist section and you will get all the things from the scratch. And if you're already supporting me, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is the Amazon and our first niche is cute Halloween coloring book for kids ages pumpkin cats. Now this one is from the search result because people are actually searching for it, right? And as you can see, the search result is 306, which is amazing. Whenever we, as far as I am concerned, and what I experience from the experiments that I do, uh, this is what all I share. So I do not use any high tech techniques or any complex methods to find the niches out. My only goal for finding niches is just to make sure that it is selling and the competition is low. So here clearly 306 is the search result, which is the competition is low. Now I have to find out that if they are selling the books, like if the BSR is good. Obviously if I'm making some books, I want to sell it, right? So 306 is good. Now I want to look for three books with BSR 300,000 to make sure it is selling in the market, right? So I will just move ahead and I will not consider this a sponsored one because obviously the people are paying money to get ranked, and all I want is to sell organically, right? So I will move ahead and I would look for the three books. So the first one is this one. It is 91233, which is good. I will consider it. Now next is this one, 73471, which is again good and I will consider it. And the third one is this one, 169127, which is again I will consider it. So you can see these books are selling good and their competition is low. So what I will do is I will go ahead and I will start working on this niche because clearly it is going to make you some money. Okay, now the second niche that I'm talking about is mushroom coloring book for adults, stress relief and relaxation. Now the search result is 496, which is again good. The competition is very low. I always consider 1000 or less than 1000, so obviously this one is what I'm looking for. Now I just want to look for the three books. So this one is my first book, that is 18682. It is selling really nice in the market because the lower the BSR, the higher the sales, right? So obviously this is selling really good and it is not very old book. It has been just published in August 22nd. So yes, it is doing good and you can start working on this one as well. So we got our first book. Now we are looking for two more books. The second book is this one and the third one is this one, right? So obviously we got our three books which is selling good. We still have more books in this row. So what you can do is you can start working on this niche as well. Now how will go for interiors, how you will go for covers, I have already discussed in the previous videos or on my channel. If you are not sure, just go ahead in the search box, type KDP cover Priyanka Dubey, you will get the videos, or you can just go to the playlist and you can start watching all the videos and you will get all the clarity from the beginning, right? So this was the second niche. Now I just want to look for the third niche, that is 50 mandalas relaxing. This one is here. So you can see the search result is 572, which is good. Again, the competition is low, which all we want. Now looking for the three books. This is the first one, 82578. Now moving ahead, this is the second one, 132787, and This is the third one, 51218. Obviously I will not consider this one because this is spiral binding, and this is not KDP, and obviously I will not consider the sponsored one. So you got the three books. Now your responsibility here is to how to make your books stand out from what is already available right now in front of your eyes, and how you can stand out. So you can start working more precisely and more, carefully on your covers and the interiors as well. And obviously the keyword matters. If you're not sure about the keywords, I have a lot of videos available, which I use for finding keywords organically, not paying for anything, just your efforts, obviously. So you can start watching all those videos as well. So yeah, this is the third niche that you can start working on. Now looking for the fourth one, that is relaxation coloring book. So this is the niche that I have find out. Obviously I spent a lot of time looking for these niches. So if you think that it is just like that, it's not the case here. I spent a lot of time searching for these niches, making all the spreadsheets, looking for it, if it is beneficial or not for you all guys, because I want to save my subscribers time in searching out these niches. So the only thing that you have to do is to go and make the books, because the niches are already shot out for you. Okay, so this one is also a nice niche that I can start working on. So this is basically a niche which is relaxation books with owls, right? So what you can do is you can look, the competition is very low, that is only 197. Now looking for the books, that this one, 106263, it is selling good. Okay, now we will look for two more books. The second one is this one, 72025. This one is as well 232,794, 795, sorry. And again you can just scroll down and you can look for other books as well. So what I can say is it is also profitable. You can go ahead and you can start working on in this niche as well. So the next niche that I want to talk about is we are heading into 2024. So this is the new niche that you can start working on. It is a kind of religious book for the Christians. um, Obviously we are focusing offshore market, so we have to focus on such niches. So it is a kind of religious coloring book, Bible verse, etc. So it is a new niche I can say, and a very hot niche I can say, because we are heading to 2024, and this is where you can start working in and you can start ranking on, so I would highly suggest you to go for this niche, because the you can see the search result is very low, that is only 26, which is giving you a high probability of ranking, right? So you can go ahead and you can start working on in this niche as well. You can see 7460, 141648, 6758, 12935, 81436, 68976, 55938. So obviously this is giving you a high probability of ranking, obviously, because 2024 is the word that has been not used in any of these headings or titles, right? So if you will use such niche, your probability of ranking is really high in comparison of all those books available already, because you are focusing on the niche, on the exact niche, right? So these are the some niches. These are very carefully picked up for you, so you do not have to do all this looking for niches. You can just pick one, you can start working on, and you can go ahead and do the work. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Please share my video to your people, your social media, because more exposure to videos can give me more reach, which is obviously in your hands. So yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.